What's up guys, and welcome to the video. So here are my top 2 favorite squeegees and my honest opinion on all of them. I've used some really bad squeegees, and so far this is what I found to be the best. So the one that I used for about 2 years was an Orange Crush, and it's amazing. I love it. It's a great product. However, I'm starting to like this one a little bit better. But when you first start using this one, it's very stiff and it's not easy to maneuver. But after a couple cars, it loosens up and it's way easier to use. So I would give this one a 4.5 out of 5 and this one a 4.5 out of 5. So either one, you're in good hands. You're gonna be very happy with both. So check it out. If you guys haven't, I wouldn't stick with the Blue Maxes. Those are the worst you can get. And a lot of other ones are very aggressive. These are very good. They don't scratch the film and they're also extremely durable. So check them out.